Hi there, welcome. So the third one would be the notepads. Notepads has a unique, in fact, because this combines your handwriting as well as your some of the direct action points will be there, which are unprocessed data sometimes, and some of the critical information also you would put it in the same notes. So uh, it's a challenging. At the same time, it's so easy to manage because you need to understand first what are the types of the notepads are available. I would put it in the other way. There are two different types. One would be the digital, other one would be the paper. When you look at the digital will have, for example, a notepad plus plus, or maybe like Google Keep example, or maybe Evernote or OneNote from Microsoft. So these all are the application based notes, can be written with your hand, and you can record your voice, you can put your ideas, you can draw it within your notes. And these are most important one would be out of these have a unique feature, that is it can sync across all your devices, no matter whether you are on a mobile or maybe you are on your computer. So you have all these digital notes available. It might be containing your own voice recording which used for taking the notes, or maybe handwritten notes, or some of your drawings. So it's so easy. And the digital things I'm going to talk in a minute, how you're going to process. So the processing would be easy. We're going to talk in detail in the upcoming lectures, but just to give you an idea here, a digital notes can be processed like once you have cleared all your action items, or if you find some kind of unprocessed data and you wanted to process it. Post to the process, you need to move to a folder called archive folder. So very similar to which we're gonna talk in the upcoming lectures for the emails as one of the data gathering point. So similar options we are going to implement. So it's going to be unique one way of a platform that makes so easy for you to organize the things, and you would actually generate out of it a very good valid time out of it. And this and coming back to other one would be the paper. Paper is like you write on your handwrite on a notebook, or maybe a small notepad. And sometimes people likes to carry a mini packet size uh, paper notepad, so which they just put it on their packet and then they go anywhere. And once they take the notes within that small pocket, and they uh, simply use it as unprocessed data and a processing purpose. And coming back to the actual paper-based notes which you normally see outside, this is then easily combined with a portable inbox inside a pad folio. For example, we have seen in the previous lecture, similar to the pad folio, you can put it inside that. And it's a portable, you can easily put it into the portable one, and easy to carry another way. And the notepads will be combining general information, for example action items, unprocessed tasks, or maybe make sure that you clearly indicate what items are unprocessed or needs some attention. So you can take a checkbox kind of thing, or a star, or maybe a simple currency symbol or something like that, which would make it as a unique for you to identify, hey, I need to process this, I need to process this to somewhere, something like that. And there is a different ways you to manage, like we talked about in the digital. Once we have actioned, we would be moving the things to here archive folder. The similar things here for the paper, there are different options. The first one would be like you can simply make the unique identity of the actionable items. Let's say a box, text box, or a symbol like a dollar symbol, or maybe a currency euro symbol, or something like that, which would makes an attention so that this item to be processed. Other the best process would be, maybe you can rip up all the pages which are unprocessed and put it into your main inbox, the larger one, and from there you process it as per your schedule and come back to come back to again to the notepads whenever you go. So, and every day it's clear for you, and it's very clear slate which you have, which is a blank one, so easy to work. So you have different options altogether for the notepad based data gathering points. So what we are trying to do is, in the last 4 different gathering points, we are trying to unprocessed items to clear it out as per a best mechanism to schedule and clear it out. For example, the physical inbox we tried with the schedule to unprocess the items just to dump it, later point schedule it in a weekly basis, and the portable one you can carry anywhere and then do the similar things to process it. And for the digital paper, it does the same thing, but at the end you no need to have anything. You should have all the time a blank slate, or it should be a clear for you. I hope this is useful for you. We'll jump into the next lecture.